Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. What if you feel like having custard or you're having guests coming over and you want to make a quick dessert but you have no custard powder in your pantry and you just do not feel like going out to the store? Well, I have a solution here for you. With just a simple ingredient which may be just lying there in your pantry, you can make a wonderful quick dessert with it. I will be showing you how to make a quick and easy coffee custard with that simple ingredient. Along with that, I will be sharing a simple kitchen tip at the very end, so stick with me till the end of this video. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing so that I can bring more new recipes for you. Okay, so next time you buy a box of custard powder, check the list of ingredients at the back of the box. You will see that it is nothing but made up of cornstarch or cornflour with some artificial colors or flavors added to it. Cornstarch is used for thickening sauces. It is also sold in the name of cornflour in many places. So today I will be showing you how to make coffee custard with this cornstarch. Take half a cup of cold milk. Remember to take cold or room temperature milk here, or else the cornstarch won't dissolve. To it, add 4 tablespoons of leavened corn flour and mix it very well till it becomes smooth without any lumps. Keep this aside and let's go to the main recipe now. I have timed myself to 15 minutes on my kitchen timer to demonstrate that it will take less than 15 minutes to prepare this. Next, in a heavy bottom pan, I added 3 cups of full fat milk. You can even use low fat milk, but naturally full fat milk gives a richer flavor. We will wait for the milk to come up to a boil on high heat. Now that the milk has started to boil, I lowered the heat to medium and added 1.5 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. You can use any instant coffee powder according to your preference, and you can even go up to 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, but try with little less proportion at the beginning and then you can increase or decrease the level according to your preference. Stir till the coffee mixes well. Then I added about 10 tablespoons or little more than half a cup of sugar. Stir till all the sugar dissolves. Here I am tasting to see whether it is sweet enough, and it is just right. You can add more sugar or coffee powder at this stage if you feel like. Now comes the cornstarch and milk mixture. Mix again very well as the cornstarch settles down at the bottom, so mix very well just before adding. Remember, the heat should be medium to low at this point. Now add the cornstarch mix in a thin stream and at the same time constantly keep stirring with your other hand. If you just add the cornstarch in one go, then there are chances that your custard will become lumpy. So with one hand add the cornstarch and with your other hand constantly stir. After adding the cornstarch, now you can increase the heat and keep stirring till the mixture again comes up to a boil. Next I added just a tiny pinch of salt. Yes guys, salt, as that little pinch of salt balances the sweetness, but just add a little pinch. Now if you want your custard little runny, then switch off your stove immediately after it comes up to a boil. I will be showing you a little on the thicker side, so I will go a little more. Now see, the custard has started to thicken. And when you make a line, see how that trail stays. This is how you will know that your custard is thick enough. So take it off heat and immediately put in serving bowls. And see, there is still 2 minutes left. So in less than 15 minutes we made this. Now I will be showing you 3 ways how to serve this same custard. In this one, I sprinkle some cocoa powder on top. In this one, I sprinkle some powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar or icing sugar. And this one, I will use the bowl as a mold. I didn't butter or oil the bowl, I just added the custard to the bowl. Now you refrigerate them. The one that I will unmold needs to be refrigerated for at least 3 to 4 hours. After that, immediately taking out from the fridge, invert it on a plate. Give the bowl a shake, and here comes out the lovely molded custard. You can even have it without adding anything, it tastes delicious. Now finally coming to my kitchen tip, how many of you after making a kheer or custard see the bottom of your pans like this? So then all the fun goes away when we have to clean this. So next time just add some baking soda and a few tablespoons of white vinegar to the pan and immediately add some hot water to it. Let it sit like this for about half an hour. Then with just a scrubber and a little rub, brings out those stubborn sticky things from the bottom. My sister told me after watching my kheer recipe that it is fun to eat kheer but a pain to clean the pan in which you prepared the kheer. So I thought, why don't I share this trick with all of you, and thanks a lot to my darling sister Rukmini for asking this question. So here you go, next time you think of making custard, do not fret that you do not have a custard powder at home. Just keep a cornstarch packet always in your pantry. It has several uses. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Write to me in the comment section with recipe ideas. So here you go, a wonderful recipe for coffee custard. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.